Hey YouTube, this is Dee. I've been really busy this summer doing the farmers market downtown, but I've started doing a little bit more cold process again so I can get ready for the fall. I have jade in the green soap. I did that soap about 2.5 years ago when I first started soaping, and I found a bar and it still had the scent in it, so I love it. I did it again. The one in front is cucumbers and cantaloupe, and that's from WSP. That's a summery scent, but I wanted to get rid of the oil. This one, the design did not turn out like I wanted it. It started getting so stiff, it was almost, I had to spoon it in. The strawberries are from some homemade melt and pour that I saw from one of the users online. They look purple from how I'm looking through this phone lens, but they're actually, I use alkanet root, and I use the melt and pour. Oh, I'm stumbling, I'm sorry. But it's Farmer's Market strawberry, sweet strawberry scent from WSP. These two bars are the homemade melt and pour that I made. I love it. I'll make that again. This one was pretty until I started trying to mess with it on the side. I had a pretty design. I kind of messed it up a little bit because I waited too late to start wanting to put some peaks in it, and then I tried to smooth it back out. But that's a saffron and cedar. I like that scent too. It's kind of a fall Christmassy scent. So I just wanted to show you. I'm still soaping. Hadn't had a chance to do any videos, but trying to get this one done. So thanks for getting some new subscribers. I appreciate it, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye. Have a great day.